BMW E90 320 diesel, 122,676 mileage. And this car got problem with the turbo. It's losing power, and when you drive, it's like suddenly showing a light. And first thing I checked the turbo, it's a playing, so means the DPF been blocked for a long time. As I see, this one is coming front and back, so like moving backward and forward, so that's mean the DPF was blocked, so turbo is pushing. And then if I took the DPF off, don't change the turbo, it starts not even driving, so it's getting worse. So what I will do, DPF delete and replacing the turbo. I've got the second hand one, so I need to change oil filter as well. Somebody changed the intake manifold as well. I'm going to delete it in programming. So let's start. I want to show you what exactly I need. Look at this. Leaking oil too much. Let me check. This is the old one. Yeah. It is even touching the body. See this side. Yes. And look at this one. Nothing. One screw was snapped. It's happened sometime. I have to weld it to take it off. Turbo, it's done. Need to do a DPF, and already one screw is missing on the top. And also I need to do oil filter as well. Yeah, now I'm going to drain the oil and take off the DPF. Not very good. This one is not original. And also flexi pipe is broken, so need to be replaced as well. As always, leaking DPF. Look how it's leaking too much. Rocker cover gasket leaking, oil filter housing leaking, and it's all dropping on this DPF. I need to delete it. Look, I need to take this screw out as well. Yeah, I need to change this flexi pipe, it's broken. I'm going to weld it, and then after I change the flexi pipe. And I don't take out the catalytic converter, I'll leave it there. Gonna put back flexi. I weld it, all good, perfecto. It's only left the flexi. It's coming like a kit, but this one is always comes bigger, so I always prefer to put back the original one. So I'm going to weld it, this to here. I'm gonna cut this one, put here. And what I do before I cut, you see, I made one line here, and one line here, so to put back exactly same, like to weld it. And I don't take the catalytic converter out, which is still there.
وش ملات ذا سما وشي محترم داني اشتياء سايد اخواتين صلاوش مني لك ملات ذا كارزانا
سلام اخوات لسربيتين ان شاء الله. والله يا ما سبحان الله باذن خدا رب العالمين اما لو دنقيدة ترسم لبازدي رمضاني لروجي جمعش راستا لخدا رب العالمين يجدة ترسين راستا لعذابي قبر يجدة ترسين لآقري جهنم يجدة ترسين خزا من هردي من مزقفتي هركاتك او دنقاعات لبازدي رمضاني لروجي جمعش.
I need to put oil as well. Need to put back the rest. Also the clamp. The welding is not very nice because I tried to weld it nicely and behind it it was melted because of too much rust. I was already welded half, so I couldn't do any better. I have to cut it, put another pipe so I don't. As this one same. This one is okay. And it's not look nice, but it's very strong. So the only thing I will worry about it. But yeah, I hated this one seriously. It's like a chewing gum. I put it there. Some people would say, "What the fuck is this welding?" It looks worse than ever. Well, it is what it is. You know, when it's something rusty, you welding it, it's getting melted. You welding behind, it's getting more melted. So that's why. Otherwise, when something new like this, it's nice to welding it. But even when you're welding here, the top will get melt. So it's done. I put new screw there. I cleaned this one. I put new bracket. This is the old one. And new flexi. Look at it, how strong. Yeah, all good. Gonna put back the cover and done. disconnect this one because it's delete. That's it.